So I got down to about 16. So it was pretty
Good morning. Good morning, Zachary. Good morning. I love you. How was your sleep? Huh? Where's Kuya? Kuya! Come on, get ready. Lumagana yung yung lips ko dahil dito sa pimple. Ang sakit niya, promise. Tingnan niyo. Can you text Friday if Holly's swimming lesson is 1:30 or 2:30, please, for me so I know. Thank you.
Happy Broadway was this one.
Oh, that one. Okay. Ito na lang yung strawberry dito.
Then you mix
You be careful.
that.
That's enough.
Guys,
Kuya?
good morning.
Gusto raw nila matuto mag-Tagalog. So,
Mom,
no, in Tagalog.
Mom,
Try
what
pag in
milk
Tagalog.
in the Tagalog?
Milk in Tagalog is gatas.
The book
Say it, gatas.
that
Say milk is,
the Tagalog.
what is milk in Tagalog? Gatas.
Mom, yeah. Mom, you like my feet?
Come on, Hollis is awake. Shoes.
Oh, Mom,
Good morning, Holly. Good morning. Dad? Did you call Daddy? Tinawag niya kanina si Daddy niya. Dad? Dad? Good morning. Dito ka na. Hoy.
Hey, get out there! You're free.
Okay. Eat your breakfast? Get swimming today, darling.
Thank you, Mom.
Yes. Carrots and apple puree for today. This is your breakfast. Here, here, Holly.
Dad,
Oops. Huh? Are you ready for swimming? Are you ready for swimming? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Richard. Why are you wearing the same clothes again? Yeah, that was yesterday. Ready. Swimming, baby, you're so Okay, let's go. Let's go swimming. Let's swimming now, baby. You're crushing that.
Sit down. Sit down.
One, two, three. Up we go on. That you wait this time. Crocodile, crocodile, sitting on the wall. Crocodile, crocodile, watch me go. Well done, Sorry.
Crocodile.
Are you ready? Two cheeky monkeys sitting on a wall. Two cheeky monkeys had a big fall. Ready, go! Oh, well done. Hold the wall, hold the wall, hold the wall. And push back, push back. Well done. Grab the wall. Well done. Okay. Last one, last one. 1, 2, ready, go!
Wow, good girl. Keep it. Good girl.
Big one. Good boy.
Good boy.
Oh, he's gonna go again. Wait till Holly says.
Say hi. We miss you, Kuya. Say hi, Kuya. Where are you, Kuya? Say hi, Kuya, Kuya. Here comes the horsey duck. Ready, go! That was a bit clever. I have a wee. We're happy and you know you have a wee. If you're happy and you have a wee, you're on the shop. If you're happy and you know you have a wee. If you're happy and you know you're waiting. Bye-bye. Oh, I'm gonna touch your face. Go. Good girl, Holly. You're so brave, Holly. You're so brave. Again. Ready? One, two, three, Good girl. Good girl. One more. One more. I hope I'm rolling getting it. Ready, guys? Good kicking, Holly. Good kicking.
Humpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a big fall. Ready, go! Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Up you go. Up. Crocodile. Crocodile, crocodile sitting on the wall. Crocodile, crocodile, watch me fall. Ready, go! One cheeky monkey sitting on a wall. One cheeky monkey had a big fall. Ready? Go! I have no idea if I've got her on film or not. Good girl. Yeah, Hayden. We're gonna. Kick it, Ollie. Yes. Go. Go. Kick. Let's go. Kick. Kick. Come on, Ollie. Kick. More kicking. Good girl. Good girl, Holly. One more. More. Kick, 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 kick. Good girl. Yay. Yay. Yeah. Bubble. Bubble. Go, bubble. It's like you're surfing, Holly. Surfing, Holly.